This video is going to show you how to perform a Vapour Clean function in a Smeg oven. Vapour Clean is an assisted cleaning program that helps to remove any buildup of cooking debris inside the oven. It is possible to perform this function on any Smeg built-in oven and range cooker. Grease or cooking residue is softened by the combination of gentle heat and water vapour for easy removal. Firstly, to prepare the oven for Vapour Clean, remove all accessories from inside the oven. Slide out any baking trays. The side runners can be easily removed without any need for tools. Simply place your fingers under the wire rack nearest to the door and firmly pull to release from the front, then remove from the back. Pour around 40 millilitres of water into the base of the oven. You can add some lemon juice, washing up liquid or white wine vinegar to assist the cleaning. Smeg built-in oven bases are slightly concave to hold a set amount of water, specifically for functions such as Vapour Clean. If the sides and the roof of the oven also need cleaning, you can spritz with the water solution too. To activate the program, some ovens have a dedicated Vapour Clean function, selecting the function and the temperature for you, whilst those without the function can set this up manually. Select the base heating element and temperature of 60 degrees for 20 minutes. Once the time has passed, open the door and wipe away any loose grease or build-up with a microfiber cloth or sponge. For anything more stubborn, use a non-scratch sponge to remove. Remove any water left behind at the end of the cycle and dry out the oven cavity. Once the oven cavity has been cleaned, reassemble the internal accessories. Start by placing the side runners into the back first at an angle and pushing into the front. The Vapour Clean function can be performed in all of the Smeg built-in ovens. It's a quick, eco-friendly way of cleaning your oven at home. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.